The hydrogen economy. A sustainable energy solution. In a world where sustainable energy is key to our future, a new solution emerges: hydrogen. The hydrogen economy provides an opportunity to eliminate the problems associated with fossil fuels. Hydrogen is a clean and efficient energy carrier that can revolutionize the energy industry. When produced from renewable electricity, it carries zero to low carbon emissions, and as a result, it is a critical enabler to sustainable energy and a vital component in achieving net zero emissions. However, with an emerging supply chain, hydrogen can bring challenges such as safety, supply chain development, limited technical resources, and a lack of information. Do not worry, as at SGS we provide support throughout the hydrogen value chain. Our solutions enable you to minimize risks to cost, quality, safety, and reputation during hydrogen production, storage, transportation, and consumption. At SGS we support you with our world-class testing, inspection, and certification services throughout the entire hydrogen value chain. Our team works closely with your business to integrate hydrogen solutions, helping you reduce emissions and achieve your sustainability goals. For more information, contact us at industries.environment@sgs.com.